This is my 2002 ML320, where I just finished replacing one of the struts here that hold the hood up. What used to happen before was that if I bring it down just a little bit, it used to fall down. You see now, when I bring it down, it stays, it goes back up again. Before, when I used to bring it down just a little bit, the whole hood used to fall down. So this car is about 14 years old, and actually 16 years old. It's time to replace both the struts, I guess. So I replaced the one on the right. As you can tell, it's a little bit newer, and now it's time to change the one on the passenger side. So I did not go with OEM. So these are OEM with the Mercedes. They're made in I don't know where they're made in, but anyway, here's a part number W163 8800029, and I guess they're made in USA, I'm guessing. And instead I went with these ones called BOXI, and these are made in China. Bought them off of Amazon, kind of cheap, good reviews. They look similar to the original Mercedes, and basically the way to remove them is you just pry out these clips. So as you can see, there's clips. The skinny one is this is the bottom part, and then the little bigger one is on the top. And you basically just use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. That makes it easy to open. You do have to wedge. When I did remove this, the top part, I had to wedge this in between to push this out. But once you remove those pins, it'll come out. So I'm gonna do that right now on the driver's side, I'm sorry, on the passenger side. And you can see a little notch right here, and you just basically you have to go vertically to stick that right in. As you can see, I'm wedging it out, and this one's broken, so I really don't care if the pin comes out. Make sure, as you can see, okay, and then hopefully this should just come out. See, I popped it out. So now the hood is no longer able to stand up with just one. So I did use a piece of wood right here, and to hold that up. So now while that's being held, I'm going to I'm just going to put this clip back so it doesn't fall into the engine bay. And then I'm going to wedge this one in right here. It should come straight out. Okay. And then this one fell right out. So get both of these out. It's easier to stick the new one in, actually. So you just have to make sure that you insert it in right here, and just push it in all the way. Okay. I'm gonna make sure this pin pops out when you put it in, so you want to make sure that you push the pin back in. And once you do that, you have to obviously raise the hood a little bit, and then push that in the right way. And you want to make sure that this pin doesn't pop out. There you go. Very easy to push it in. And now it stays up. And now when I try to push it down, it goes back up again. So 10-minute fix, 15-minute fix. Saved a bunch of bucks. These things are available on Amazon. I'm sorry. These BOXI are available on Amazon, or you could get it from anywhere else. They're $16, $17. Saved a trip to the dealer.